Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one from Zen Pop. We got a bunch of Zen Pops we're going to be doing. This is Nissin main Shokunin Shoyu Ramen from Japan. You can go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider discount, to get one of their fancy boxes. Yeah. So today is Thursday, July 6th. So what? Oh, no. Today is my and my wife's, obviously. It is our 13th anniversary of wedded bliss. It is. And we are separated right now. Not like that. But she was down in California, and I'm up here, and she's on her way up here right now. No, we're not separated. Oh my God, that sounded horrible. We're separated by time and space, not by what people. Yeah, God. Yeah, no, we're not separated. But just by distance currently, and that distance is going to be shrinking. She's going through security down at the Oakland International Airport. When does she fly? Southwest. And yeah, so she's been gone since Sunday, and I don't know, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be a good day. And I've been doing a bunch of stuff around the house. I got gifts coming. I think one more will be here, hopefully before she gets home. I doubt it, but I always get her traditional stuff. She seems to like it. This year, for the 13th, it's citrine, the color white, lace, chrysanthemum. I think that was the set. I got her seeds so she can grow some chrysanthemums. I got her, she likes this gemstone called alexandrite. So for white, I got her white gold alexandrite earrings. And for citrine, I got her some citrine earrings. She's got so many holes in her ears. There's room. I got her some socks she'll probably never wear that are all like lacy. They don't look comfortable at all, but I was like, what am I gonna get her that's lace? She'll probably get a good laugh out of it. And was that everything? Yeah, a couple pairs of earrings though. And on top of that, I cleaned both of the bathrooms. Like, I spent 2.5 hours this morning cleaning the bathrooms. And laundry and this and that and the other thing. She's gonna come home. Her mom is gonna pay for us to order out for some fancy dinner. That's kind. And yeah, so I think we're gonna have some Thai food tonight. So that's cool. But yeah, I'm stoked. I'm hoping how it works. It's nice already. I'm oh. Yeah. I forgot about my lasers. I can't do this without having my lasers going in the background. I don't even know if you can even see them. I'm sure you can see them right now, but I mean, I could do the show just like this and blind myself even worse. Whoa. But yeah, gotta have the lasers. I got Rotato, I got Lasero. That's a pretty good set, and it's almost done. Rad. So I really didn't feel like doing a reviewing today, but I got all the reviews ready to go. last night. I didn't feel like getting the reviews ready to go last night. 2, 1. But I did it, and here we are. Yeah. But I don't think I'm going to be doing any more reviewing, at least until next week. But I started doing reviews Sunday, and I've done 4 reviews a day, and it's Thursday, so I got 20 more this week. So since June 19th, I believe I've done 61, 62, 60 something. Is this burner on? No, that's because I got you. Alright, so these are really good, these Men Shokunin. It's really tricky because Zenpop will call it Men Shokunin, Men Shokuhin, like H-I-N instead of N-I-N. And then sometimes when they Romanize it, it'll be either S-H or S-Y. So when they do Shoyu, they'll do S-Y-O-Y-U. I'm like, okay. Somebody different on the old translation engine, I guess. Hey, look, flower food. See that right there? I'll show you up close. Look at the pretty flower. Yeah. Little piece of cabbage, or no, what do you call it? Not cabbage. Menma. I do have flower foo. I should use some of that today. Good noodle. Nice tasty broth. Again, a good one for the Men Shokunin or Nin. Or whatever. It's good. I'll leave it at that. This is the first of 4. It's so weird because I feel almost like I should just post them all at once, but that would be really screwy. Let's try that. So this is this is like a primo range from them, from Nissin Foods Japan. They've also got their Rao, R-A-O-H, Rao, and that one is premium as well. In fact, to promote it, they opened up ramen restaurants and bus stations, or train stations rather, and they you could go in there and you could order your noodles, and it was kind of like the Folgers coffee thing, I think. We're not going to tell them that this is an instant noodle. These salarymen are going to get really ticked off at us. I don't know. No, they seemed happy. Wow, that's good. Chill. Like that. Gotta get through these eggs. How many do we have? 1, 2. We have 2 eggs. This one gets an egg. Pray for me. I don't want to screw these out. That's a good one. That's a good one. I might have to. All the ones that I'm doing today are like Japanese ramen. So they all deserve an egg, I think. So I don't know. I might just take this one out after I've done her up, and you know what I mean? Put it in a little bowl and use it for the next one. I know I'm not supposed to tell you that. I shouldn't have told you that. But you might murder me if I wasted something, so I don't want to get murdered. Not in my sleep, not in my awakening time. Yeah. I've had people really get uptight. Now it comes with, what do you call it? It comes with nori, seaweed. But I'm kind of like, I don't know what the trick is, because when you get it wet, it just kind of gets shrinkage, it shrivels. So maybe there's 2 pieces, so I can do one for now, and then one for the doings when I take the beauty shots. Yeah, it always seems to shrivel a lot. Ah, good, there are a couple slices. There's a dog barking outside. Alright. Rotato, do your stuff. Don't let the seaweed shrivel. Yeah, don't let the seaweed shrivel. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching, Brad. The next one that we're going to do is this. This is Yamadai, and this is a cabbage tanmen, and I'm really excited about this one. I have good feelings for it. I am thoroughly infused with interest. So that will be the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Really helps me out. Have a good one, and bye. Push the button. Bye-bye.